sa ating lahat, Vice Mayor Dodot, sa ating mga konsehal, sa mga kasama po, lalo na sa BFP, sina Sir Ramot, National Government Agencies, mga kawani ng ating pamahalaan. Bago po umulan, isang announcement ba? O number 1 po tayo, overall champion sa Batang Pinoy. Para sa kalaman ng lahat, yung Batang Pinoy, ito po yung National Games or National Championships ng PSC o Philippine Sports Commission para sa under 18 years old. So ito na po, nagbubunga yung mga investment at magsusumikap din ng ating mga staff, ng coaches, pati syempre ng mga magulang, teachers po natin, yung efforts natin sa grassroots program. Kaya sa lahat, lalo na sa ating mga atleta, congratulations sa atin.
Ako ay isang lingkod bayan. Pangangalagaan ko ang tiwalang pinagkaloob ng mamamayan. Maglilingkod ako ng may malasakit, katapatan, at kausayan na walang kinikilingan. Magiging mabuting halimbawa ako at magbibigay ng pag-asa at inspirasyon sa aking kapwa lingkod bayan. Lilinangin ko ang aking sariling kakayahan upang sa lahat ng panahon ay mapaglingkuran ko ng buong mahusayan ang sambayanan. Hindi ako makikibahagi sa mga katiwalian sa pamahalaan, pipigilan at isisiwalat ko ito. Sa pamamagitan ng tama at angkop na pamamaraan, isasabuhay ko ang isang lingkod bayan, makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan at makabansa. Tutugon ako sa mga hamon ng makabagong panahon tungo sa adhikain ng matatag, maginhawa at panatag na buhay. Sa mga tungkulin at hangarin ito, kasihan nawa ako ng may kapal.
Ngayon po ay ginugunitan natin ang mga sumusunod. Holiday Hazards Prevention Month, Proclamation number 115A, Series of 1966.
National Volunteers Month, Proclamation number 55, Series of 1998.
The Month of Overseas Filipinos, Proclamation number 276, Series of 1988.
Rizal Month, Proclamation number 126, Series of 2001.
National Press Congress Month and Month of the Community Press in the Service of the Nation, Proclamation number 1187, Series of 2006.
Energy Consciousness Month, Proclamation number 1427, Series of 2007.
First Monday up to the following Sunday, Philippine Aviation Week, Proclamation number 732, Series of 1970.
From December 4 until December 10, National Human Rights Consciousness Week, Republic Act number 9201 of 2003.
And on the week 1, Family Week, Proclamation number 147, Series of 1949.
Commerce and Industry Week, Proclamation number 480, Series of 1968.
Electronics and Communications Week, Proclamation number 615, Series of 1969.
Atomic Energy Week Celebration, Proclamation number 1211, Series of 1973.
National Government Employees Week, Proclamation number 1130, Series of 1997.
For the first Monday of December, Parents' Day, Proclamation number 213, Series of 1937.
Mother's Day and Father's Day, Proclamation number 58, Series of 1998.
Ngayon po ay aming tatawagin si Ms. Sara Mariano of the Office of the City Mayor para sa ilang mga paalaala.
Good morning, everyone. So, today we'll be recognizing and commending 3 BFP personnel who actually rescued Jonathan Putong, and we will be giving them a cash award of 10,000 pesos each. They will also receive certificates of recognition. So So on July 2024, due to Super Typhoon Karina, several barges and boats were swept away from where they were stationed on the Marikina River. Jonathan Pulong, 46 years old, was working on one of the barges at the time it crashed into the F. Manalo Bridge along the Manggahan floodway. And on July 25, 2024, after several hours of waiting for assistance, Jonathan Pulong was rescued at 12:43 a.m. on Thursday through a joint rescue operation by the Bureau of Fire Protection, Pasig, and BFP Quezon City. This time, may I invite in front Pasig City Fire Marshal Christopher C. Amot from the BFP Pasig City Central Fire Station to give the awards and certificate of recognition. The first BFP personnel is Fire Officer 1 John Alfred Sabado from the BFP Special Rescue Force Marine Fire Unit. Next one is Senior Fire Officer 1 Nino Jose M. Dagasta from the BFP Quezon City Fire District Special Rescue Force. Last one is Fire Officer 1 Christian Andarino from BFP Quezon City Fire District Special Rescue Force. On behalf of DILG Director Ma'am Vita Martinez, let's just have this opportunity to have the photo op together with the City Council and Mayor Vico Soto.
Muli, palakpakan po natin ang lungsod ng Pasig.